Breaking out for GC, I got 6 2015 Upper Deck Inscription Football Hobby Box Live Break, and then I got 5 2012 Prime Sigs. We'll go Inscrptions and then Prime Sigs. Good luck. 6 Inscrptions, 5 Prime Sigs. Got my knife hide behind here. Good luck. So we got semi-offers for teams in Score Football. Should be a lot of fun breaking that today. Matthew Miller, Lael Collins, Josh Shaw, and Austin Hill out of 149. Austin Hill out of 149. Tony Lippett, Rennell Hall, Malcolm Agnew. Nice run right here for the Steelers. Alvin Bud Dupree. 37 of 149, Bud Dupree. Kentucky alum, Pittsburgh Steeler. Looked pretty good last year. Box number 3 of Inscrptions. Keep sending those live break orders, everybody. Jake Waters, Dominique Brown, Justin Hardy, current Falcon, and Hunter Mason, QB for the Bulldogs, out of 149. 35 of 149, Hunter Mason. Box number 4 of Inscrption. Devin Gardner, Andre Davis, Tevin Coleman for Atlanta, Jawan Edwards, Ball State, out of 149. 5 autos right here. Kevin Parks. Taking offers on Score Football, guys. Send me those offers if you want any teams in that break. Kevin Parks, David Cobb, Christian Jones, Cody Riggs, cornerback from Notre Dame, out of 149. And Jameis Winston, famous Jameis auto right there. Jameis Winston. We want to see. Maybe get a Mariota, Gurley, Cooper out of here. I think these are on user on clear. It says 40. I think are $49.95. Big sale on those. David Johnson, Cody Riggs, Cameron Artis-Payne, Jeff Herman from Ohio State. I think Denver's going to give him a look this year. Out of 149, 100 to 149. And Michael Bennett for the Bulldogs. 15 Inscrption. Let's go to Prime Sigs. Got 5 boxes of Prime Sigs. Keep sending those live break orders in, everybody. Let's get the group break filled. We got 2 spots left in Lux Basketball as well. Random Division box break of that. That's gone off today. All right, see what we got. Out of 499, Josh Cribbs. Out of 49, Gerard Mayo. 45 of 49, Gerard Mayo. Out of 199, auto, Courtney Upshaw. 137 to 199, rookie card auto, Courtney Upshaw. Out of 499, Phillip Rivers. Box number 1. Any David Johnson he must have. Out of 499, Darren Sproles. Out of 499, Bo Jackson. Out of 199, rookie card 189 of 199, rookie card auto, Chris Givens for the Rams. Out of 499, Darren McFadden. See if we can get one. We got 3 more to go. See if we can get a Luck out of here. Love to get an Andrew Luck auto. Bernie Kosar out of 499. Bo Jackson, 33 and 99. For the Bills, rookie card auto out of 199, TJ Graham. And Fred Taylor out of 499. There we go. Score Football, guys. Let's get that filled up. 23 teams left. We'll break that if we sell a few more. Victor Cruz out of 499. Archie Manning, 95 of 99. Joe Adams out of 199. Rookie card auto, 121 of 199. Joe Adams out of 499. Jonathan Stewart. All right. Let's see if the luck is high now in this last one. It's a big auto out of here. Jared Allen out of 499. No Sean Marino out of 99. Out of 49, rookie card auto, Kellen Moore. 31 of 49, Kellen Moore. And out of 499, Bart Starr. No luck. Sorry about that. Thanks for the order, GC. Got some nice autos coming for you. We'll get this all packed up and shipped out. Thanks, brother. Really appreciate the order.